All right, welcome back. We are on level 7 of lesson 8 for sprites. So it says debug some sprites. This program draws 3 sprites to the screen, but it's not working yet. The wrong sprite is in front, and one sprite's animation isn't showing up. So do this. Run the code to see what happens. All right. Uh-oh. Fix the 2 problems in the code. Hint, just like shapes, sprites are drawn in the order they are created. All right. So that tells me already that the message needs to go at the bottom. So I'm going to move the message down to the bottom. And then it says right here, variable dessert gets create sprite 300, 200. But instead of drink, so we have drink and drink. So variable drink gets, and then drink animation sets. Now we have variable dessert gets, but we don't have variable animation. So I'm going to change this to dessert. See if that works. We're going to reset and run. And there we go. So we've got our soda, we have our ice cream, and then we have our message in front. All right, so we're going to click on finish, and I will see you on the next level.